Hello, my friend. Have you ever found yourself getting too carried with trading only to hit a drawdown in your account? It happens to almost every trader, so that's why I'm making this video to help you turn things around. Yes, you heard me right. The strategy is perfect for recovering from drawdowns. The signals aren't frequent, but they are of the highest quality. Intrigued? Then make sure to watch this video till the end. And if you're just starting your journey, this is exactly what you need as a beginner. So the link to the platform in the description. Let's go. Like any strategy, this one starts with setting up indicators, and today we have two of them. The first one will be Keltner channels, and here we'll leave everything unchanged. The second will be stochastic oscillator, and in 8% K period should be equal to 5, and the rest is unchanged. So the expiry time is 1 minute for the M1 time frame. These indicator settings are tailored by me specifically for the time frame and expiration period, so please make sure to follow them closely. Guys, let me take a minute and pause the video to wish you a very Merry Christmas. May this magical holiday bring you warmth, comfort, and belief in the best. May your goals be achieved and your dreams come true. Once again, Merry Christmas, and let's make this year truly successful. Now let's get back to the video. So I'm entering a call trade now, no time to waste, guys. Here is why I choose to go for an upward trade. We can see that the price dipped below the lower channel boundary and is now retracing back into the channel. In this strategy, we rely on signals from both the channel boundaries and the oscillator. The confirmation from the stochastic oscillator is crucial here. It clearly signals a potential price increase. Okay, I have a feeling the price will continue moving within this narrow channel, but if I don't forget, I will return to this pair to show you. Meanwhile, this trade just closed in profit. I got a bit carried away talking, but no worries, let's move on. Okay, here is our second signal, and I'm entering another call trade. The situation is similar to the previous one, but let's break it down further. The price dipped below the channel and is already retracing back inside. That's our first signal. Okay, the stochastic oscillator confirms the movement. There is our second signal. Additionally, we can see strong bar momentum on this chart, suggesting a confident upward move and a promising profit for us. And there is it, another $445 added to our account. Let's keep going, guys. By the way, I want to remind you that my Telegram channel is packed with high quality and pre-analyzed signals, so you don't have to look for them yourself. Plus, there you will find tons of useful information. Now let's get back to the trading. Third trade is already open, another call trade. So this one is a bit tricky. The price action resembles the previous setups, but the stochastic oscillator signal occurred slightly earlier. Such situations tend to work well, as there is still room for the oscillator line to climb towards the upper boundary. And I'm expecting the price to rise in this case. And that's exactly what happened, another profit secured. Okay, here is our potential for trade, but before entering, we need to wait for confirmation. Many would skip this setup, but an experienced trader won't miss such an opportunity, guys, and I'm confident this setup will deliver profits. The trade is open, another call trade. And here's why this is such a strong setup. The price is moving back into the channel, confirmed by the stochastic oscillator, but that's not all. Also, we noticed three distinct bounce points with the current price sitting near the third one. These bounces form a support level, making this signal not just strong but truly bulletproof. Oh, and look at that! Just as I said, the profits are ours. Okay, this strategy is one of gems I shared in my Telegram channel, and this time I managed to earn $1,825. Impressive, isn't it? And that's it for today, but I would love to hear your feedback in the comments. So take action and start earning. See you next time.